there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're like me and you want to make your home gym totally official, then you need home gym mirrors. These mirrors are from Delma. They come in a set of 2. They're 24 inches by 48 inches, and they have totally changed our home gym game. These mirrors come with all the hardware you need and are super easy to install. A unique feature are the screw caps. They simply thread over the screw head to give you a really clean, professional looking install, and they are firmly and safely adhered to your walls, which will put your mind at ease while you work out. Mirrors are a key element to any gym. They're necessary for you to make sure your positioning and form are proper. That way you get the most out of your workout routine or weightlifting program. And mirrors are especially important if you want to switch your home gym to a home dance studio to practice your sweet moves. If you're ready to level up your home gym, then Delma mirrors will get you there. And that is my point of view.